everyone! Welcome to another class of Art is Your Destiny. Today we're going to be drawing a narwhal. So let's get started. First, we're going to be drawing a triangle like this. That's going to be the horn of the narwhal. Let's draw a smooth round head like that. It's going to be super duper cute. So let's draw two cute eyes. Make sure to have some room on this side, on either side of them. But right now, on the right side, make sure to have room for mine. That's what I'm doing. You can do on the left side or the right side, but just do only one of them. Now, draw one small circle on inside the big circle like that. And draw another one diagonally up there. And I want you to color in the big circle, but not the two small circles. Right. Now let's draw a cute little small face. Like that. The smaller and the bigger the eyes, the smaller the smile and the bigger the eyes, the cuter it looks. Plus, if you make your small mouth close to the big eyes, it looks even cuter. So, I'm making my cute narwhal. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be curving like that. This is going to be a pretty small one. I got that. Now, I'm going to be drawing a flipper. I'm going to be drawing that. Make sure it's small. And draw one greater. Make sure it's only small. Now, from this point, I'm going to draw a big flipper. Like this. Let me erase this. Make it big. Something like this should do it. A-okay. Now, what we're going to be doing is I want you from here, imagine there's a line continuing from this part, this end, through the fin and coming back out. Back out. We want to imagine like that. You can draw a small line, you should put this, maybe right, and this one's going to be dark and like that. And this. Like this. And you can erase the flipper because it's behind the flipper. They can't just draw that. It'll look weird. Great. Now, this is a little hard for some people, but I'll go slow on you. For you. I'm going to make a point in the middle of these two. Let me show you if you can get a close look. There is the point. Small little point. Make that. That's going to be so much easier. Make one bump like that. In the other bump, basically like a bird. Like that. Now, I'm going to go make curve like that. It looks fancy. Ooh la la. And let's go down and attach it down. And yeah, we got it. That is actually quite simple. Now we are almost done. What I want you to do is make this. I'm gonna make another like that. Actually, we're gonna make this a little smaller. And make another bump like that. Can you make that? It's not here. So don't think he or she Mine's he has a cool, crazy wig. No, that's not it. Now it's gonna look weird, but if it looks weird for you, you don't need to add this. It's completely optional. Just make yours. Go down here and imagine these are lying true. Let me show you like this. Go down. That's basically the back of a narwhal. And let's erase that from here. That's basically the back of a narwhal. If you want to see, if you ever saw one, it's actually a pretty cute one. Okay. Don't make it too thick. Don't make it like everyone noticing that because it's his back. You can only see a little bit, not too much. Okay. Now that is so cute. Let's add spots on the back of that. Tiny, cute little baby spots. Don't make them crowded, just make little spots so it looks cute. Now we're almost done. Let's just add some texture to the horn. So I'm going to do one curve down. Just one beautiful curve, slightly curved down. Then imagining it curve. Down and do another one underneath. Just imagine. Don't make this fine. Just make kind of curve, just little bits. You don't make too much of a curve. Keep doing it. If there's a pattern, if you're really singing, just do once in a while. That makes it so cute. Now let's get racing. Instead of a Sharpie today, since this is kind of small and kind of detailed, I'm going to be using a thin black marker. Mine is scented and it's blackberry. So now, I'm going to write my name. Bye everyone! Bye everyone! Have a great time!